good morning, how do you do? The sun is shining, the sky is blue. It's a brand new day with so much to see. Good morning to you, good morning to me. Hello sunshine, hello day. Time to learn and time to play. Stretch your arms up to the sky. A brand new day is rolling by. Good morning, let's start our day with a smile on our face as we go on our way. Brush our teeth and wash our face, get dressed and tie our shoelace. Morning time is fresh and new, so many things that we can do. Birds are singing in the trees, flowers dancing in the breeze. Good morning, let's greet our friends. Share a hug or a wave as our sleepiness ends. Today is special, today is bright. From morning sunshine till evening night.